Welcome to a journey through fractals, imaginary numbers, and their hidden role in nature and physics. Imagine a pattern that repeats infinitely, no matter how closely you zoom. Fractals are complex shapes built from simple, self-repeating rules. Imaginary numbers, represented by the symbol I, allow solutions to equations impossible in the real world. When combined with complex numbers, the iconic Mandelbrot set emerges, a breathtaking fractal. The Mandelbrot set's edge displays endless detail, a visual proof of infinite complexity. Fractal patterns also appear in the natural world, from fern fronds to mountain ranges. Coastlines reveal fractal geometry, maintaining similar jagged shapes at every scale. Snowflakes grow with a branching symmetry, a natural fractal created by water molecules. The scaling laws of fractals describe how these patterns repeat across magnitudes. Fractals can possess non-integer dimensions, capturing their space-filling intricacy. The Julia set, another complex fractal, arises from iterating simple equations with imaginary numbers. Both Mandelbrot and Julia sets illustrate how a single complex equation can generate infinite beauty. In fluid dynamics, turbulent flows form fractal vortices that cascade energy. These vortex patterns follow a cascade that mirrors fractal scaling. Quantum mechanics relies on complex numbers to describe wave functions. When visualized, the probability densities of quantum states often display fractal features. Fractal analysis helps model diffusion-limited aggregation, a process where particles cluster into branching structures. Bacterial colonies grow in fractal patterns, echoing mathematical aggregation models. In electronics, fractal antenna designs pack extensive surface area into compact shapes. These antennas efficiently capture multiple frequencies, embodying the power of fractal geometry. Fractal compression leverages self-similarity to reduce image file sizes without losing detail. In medicine, fractal patterns help analyze physiological signals like heartbeats. The branching of blood vessels follows fractal rules, optimizing nutrient delivery. Even the cosmos displays fractal clustering, with galaxies forming filamentary structures. These cosmic filaments reflect underlying mathematical patterns that echo fractal geometry. Imaginary numbers act as a bridge, turning abstract mathematics into visual reality. Together, fractals and imaginary numbers reveal the hidden order that shapes our universe. Exploring these patterns invites curiosity about the deep connections between math and the world. Every morning awakens us to a blend of personal perception and the world's objective facts. Our subjective feelings, like colors, shade how we interpret each event. Objective events, such as sunrise or a clock's tick, remain constant for all. When the two converge, a dynamic pattern emerges, echoing nature's designs. A fractal is a shape that repeats its structure at ever smaller scales. Our lives echo this self-similarity, repeating themes in larger and smaller moments. A single conversation can mirror a lifelong conflict, just as a leaf mirrors a tree. Subjective insight adds texture, turning the plain web into a colorful tapestry. Objective facts act as the sturdy framework that holds the tapestry together. When we revisit a memory, the details shift, yet the core pattern remains. Like zooming into a Mandelbrot set, deeper reflection reveals repeated emotional motifs. A daily routine, waking, commuting, working, repeats, yet each iteration holds subtle variation. These subtle variations are the subjective nuances that differentiate each cycle. The objective routine provides the rhythmic beat, while subjectivity composes the melody. Together, they generate a harmonious symphony that feels both familiar and fresh. Calm moments smooth the edges, turning the pattern into flowing curves. Even in chaos, the underlying self-similar structure persists, guiding us forward. By recognizing these repeating shapes, we can anticipate outcomes and choose better paths. Awareness of the fractal nature transforms random events into meaningful threads. This perspective empowers us to see our lives as part of a larger design. Each small decision echoes, magnifying into broader life trajectories like branching vines. Yet the same vines also root back, grounding us in shared human experience. Subjective and objective threads interlace, forming a resilient, ever-growing lattice. Embracing that lattice invites curiosity, patience, and resilience in daily living. Recognize the pattern, cherish each variation, and navigate life's beautiful complexity.